Are you looking for a typewriter-styled, mechanical, retro keyboard with all the advances of the latest technology from a premium brand that stands behind their products, that offers Bluetooth, wired, and 2.4 gigahertz connection, as well as multiple Bluetooths to work between systems? Well, folks, I've got great news for you. We've got the most impressive retro-styled keyboard on the market today. We're going to be giving it a full evaluation and helping you decide if it's right for you. Let's go ahead. We're going to check it out and kick it off right now. The brand, of course, is Epomaker. This is the Glyph. It's 75% typewriter, and boy, I tell you what, it is a beautiful design. It's hot swappable. It's got that triple mode, and of course, it's got the 2.79-inch LED screen that looks fantastic. It includes a very impressive gel wrist pad to make sure that you are comfortable while using it, and it has some of the fastest action of any keys I've ever had a chance to use. Now I want you to listen in as we type because this thing sounds fantastic. Now let's pretend we're working on a project over on my laptop very easily, but we can go ahead and easily switch Bluetooth modes, giving us connection on a completely separate platform. That is 3 separate Bluetooths we can go back and forth. We can also, again, connect to that USB, or we can use our 2.4 gigahertz to connect where we need it, when we need it. Now with that beautiful screen, we can see the time, Bluetooth 1 through 3. We can see the 2.4 gigahertz or wired connection, which one is connected, the language, the OS, the CPU, the battery status, and even the day of the week, all showed on a beautiful screen. I also want to show you the attention to detail and the styling on the keys themselves. They've gone above and beyond making something that just looks very cool while still having a retro feel. And of course, we're very happy that this works with both Windows and Apple products, so it's pretty much agnostic. It'll work with whatever device you have. I honestly geeked out over the lighting options, which are among the best in the industry. And with shortcuts like Function C to change the lighting options, this really knows no bounds at all. So cool, so stylish, and this is going to add to your room no matter what the color, no matter what the design. This is just awesome. So folks, I invite you to transform your setup with this future retro power with the Epomaker Glyph. This keyboard closes the gap between retro and modern design. Of course, it has 83 vintage-inspired round keycaps. It's durable, it's grease-resistant, the PBT, it's a modern, uniform light. This typewriter keyboard gives you a satisfying, really beautiful sound, and it's got precision on those keyboards, and it will eliminate fatigue that traditional keyboards used to give you. And of course, I should point out that there's plenty of space for you to put your tablet or your smartphone device, mount it right there, and use the keyboard accordingly, really enhancing your portable experience like nothing you've ever seen before. And of course, with so many cool options built in, it's almost impossible for me to show you everything. With that being said, I want to take a personal moment here. This is a brand that I truly like. I love. I use them all the time. You'll see their keyboards and equipment in my videos. I visited them in Las Vegas at CES. I've been to their booth. We've taken pictures with them. I consider their staff friends. They care about their products. They're a company that cares about their employees, and I couldn't be happier, and I couldn't give a better recommendation to the company and their products. So with that being said, I want to thank them for just putting together good stuff. You don't get many companies that care that much about their products anymore. I've done my best in this video to showcase how much I like this product, how much I like the company, the employees, and the staff. They truly are fantastic. They make me happy, and I think they're going to make you happy. So if you're looking for the absolute best of the best A premier keyboard, premier equipment, stuff that is built to last, stuff that you're going to be using for years. This is a great product. I highly recommend you go pick one up. Folks, it's absolutely time to get to shopping. And with that being said, I'm going to leave you with the up close portion of our video where you get to see this with the complete lights on, up close and personal, and you can make that informed decision to pick up a quality product. And that's what you're going to see in the up close portion of the video is the overall quality, everything right down to the USB cabling being a braided cable that is a step above the competition. All right, folks, hot swappable keys, beautiful design, great LEDs, and a tremendous company. That's what they have to offer. With that being said, you know I love you, you know I appreciate you, but go pick this up, and if you want even more, stick around for the up close portion of our video. Thanks, guys. All right, folks, now it's time for our up close portion of the video where you get to see the product and the packaging up close and personal. This is your time to meet the Epomaker Glyph. It's a retro typewriter with charm. It's got a smart display, creamy switches, massive battery, and tri-mode freedom. It's built for stand-up, stand-out setups. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to take a look. Epomaker, 83 keys plus one knob and dual screens. This does set it apart. 75% typewriter, like hot swappable tri-mode, mechanical keyboard, and dual screens. I love the tri-mode connectivity. That means you can connect it just about any way you want. It's hot swappable PCB, makes it impressive as well. Let me make sure we get this all lined up for you. What a cool look. And again, it's a brand that we've come to know and love. Now, as we've come to expect from Epomaker, they've just done a great job with the packaging, making sure the product is packaged and safe upon arrival. You never have to worry about damage to the product. They always say the most high quality electronics comes in the best packaging, and this is absolutely beautiful. Everything inside, including this gel rest for your wrist, is high quality. I want to show you. Look at this. Look at that gel, folks. They've just gone ahead and given you a retro keyboard with all the tech nuances and newbie updates that you've come to expect. All in, they've done a great job. I want you to see the cabling they've included. Your USB A to C to run it wired. Just look at the braided cabling they've included in this package and everything you need for swapping out your keys, the pads below, all included. This thing is stellar. Again, I want you to hear the key action. That sounds so good. Along the backside, you can change the connection mode, Bluetooth, wired, 2.4, plus a fast USB-C recharge that again goes with that extra long cable they've included. Boy, they've just thought of everything here. Flipping to the back, I want to show you, look at this. You've got your dongle, you press, you will pop it out, and there is your USB-A dongle that you can plug in just about anywhere. And with that magnetic connection, I've never seen something quite so impressively engineered. And those color effects hit like a neon storm at midnight, turning your desk into a tiny electric city full of energy. So again, folks, if you're looking for a retro typewriter with a modern feel, all the advances of the latest technology, fast, screaming fast Bluetooth, wired connection, or 2.4 gigahertz connection. If you're looking for something with all the capabilities in that smaller size so it'll fit on your desktop, well, guess what? I've got the product for you. This thing is absolutely fantastic. From the greatest brand in keyboards, the best brand around, this retro look keyboard is absolutely perfect. We highly recommend that you gamers, that you workers, and everyone gets a chance to check this out. From those very cool styled keys to the advanced switches and everything in between, this one is an absolute winner. We highly recommend you go pick one up. And you know what, folks? It's time. What's it time for? It's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, but get to shopping.